Greetings and welcome to the Astronomy Picture of the Day podcast. Today's picture for June 21st of 2025 is titled Two Worlds, Two Analemmas. So what do we see here? Well, here we see two images side by side showing the path of the sun over the course of a year. So let's take a look at the one on the left, and that is from our own Earth, as you might guess from the water and the buildings in the background. And there we see the figure 8 path that the sun takes. Now, an analemma is created by taking an image from the exact same location and taking it at the same time of day for each image. And when you put those together, the sun will then follow this figure 8 pattern. Now, the analemma is caused by two different things, and that is the eccentricity of the orbit, which makes the path wider and stretches it out left to right, as we see in this image, and the tilt of the axis of the planet, and that will stretch it out up and down, as we see in this image, the vertical stretch being the amount of the tilt, how tilted the planet is. So if you were on a planet that was not tilted, orbited straight up and down on its axis, and that was perfectly circular, the sun would always be in the exact same spot in an analemma, and you would not see changes as you do see here for Earth. Now let's compare this to Mars. So let's go ahead and look at the other side of the image here. And here we see the analemma of Mars. Now Mars's is different, as you can see that from Earth. And the images here taken by the Opportunity rover back between 2006 and 2008. And I should have said the Earth ones were taken from 2011 to 2012. But you could do this any year. So in Mars, we get more of a teardrop shape. So it's showing that, yes, there is the same type of pattern, that Mars's orbit is a little different from Earth's, though, and it differs in that it's more elliptical. The tilt of Mars's orbit is almost exactly the same as that of Earth. So it has seasons just like Earth, and that causes the sun to be higher or lower in the sky as seen from a given location. The difference is that the orbit of Mars is much more elliptical, and that causes it to be stretched out, but also gives it that it does not show as a figure 8 shape the way Earth's does. So we get two distinct patterns here as we look at them both side by side, comparing what the position of the sun looks like on Earth over the course of a year and the path that it takes, as compared to one taken on Mars. Now, you can also do this for any planet. These are the only two planets it's ever been done for, because they're the only ones that have had craft on their surface able to take images of the sun like this over the course of an entire orbit. However, you could imagine, and it could be calculated, what it would look like on other planets if you were to do that as well. So that was our picture of the day for June 21st of 2025. It was titled Two Worlds, Two Analemmas. We'll be back again tomorrow for the next picture, previewed to be just a bowl of spherules. So we'll see what that is about tomorrow. And until then, have a great day, everyone, and I will see you in class.